Well, hello, y'all. I got a keto brick here. This is my first meal of the day. This is, let me see, when is this video gonna go out? It's gonna go out next Tuesday. So this is the Macadamia Madness brick. The first one off the assembly line. First time I've had a fresh Macadamia Madness brick since we launched them way back when, and it is the bomb diggity, y'all. Now that this video is live, they actually launched last Sunday, the 26th. So if you haven't snagged one of these, jump on it. I'm gonna finish this off right now. We're headed to the chiropractor right now. We're going to the chiropractor for Rigel, myself, and Crystal. I'm gonna come back, finish up my client work, meet with the life insurance guy, and then start just killing the day. I got a workout today. I'm gonna do chest today, but I'll be checking in with you. I'll show you my lunch. But before then, let me just show you Rigel because he's the cute star of the show. Boom, boom, boom. Is he getting a chiropractor adjustment today?
Yes.
Are you getting a chiropractor adjustment today?
I am. I look like a wreck right now.
You look like a hot mess, baby.
Yeah.
Hot mess. Look at that hair. Look at that hair.
It needs to be washed so badly. I feel like such a mom right now.
You're a cute mom, baby.
You're gonna steal my sauce?
We're rolling. What you got? What are you eating?
I'm eating chicken thighs.
Chicken thighs?
Robert is eating chicken wings. There's
Chicken
6
wings?
of them.
And thighs. Or not thighs, but drumsticks.
Okay. And then this is the
Buffalo sauce. It's
I'm
the
doing
bomb
a really
diggity.
good job over here.
Yeah, what you doing? Holding it like that. What we got macro-wise? 45 calories, total fat 4 grams per, what, 2 tablespoons? 1 tablespoon. That's what we got going there. Chicken all around. Chicken. Boom. Let's eat it up. All right, y'all. We have been doing all kinds of film work. Check this out. So we got Chip here doing the directing, producing, all that cool stuff. We got all the camera set up. We're filming the promo video for the Macadamia Madness commercial, and that will have already gone live by the time you see this video. But that's what we're doing right now. We're filming that promo. Here's all my super impressive notes, which obviously are the equations for secret top formulas of keto bricks. So that's what you need to know right there. But yeah, that's what we got going. Hopefully y'all like these little promo commercial videos that we do for the new flavor launches. We have fun making them, and they're just supposed to be kind of funny and comical. So hope you love them. About to work out right now. I'm slamming chest today. One more quick little thing. I was still hungry, which is kind of out of the norm right now. So I ate 100 grams of this kielbasa sausage for lunch in addition to that chicken. So that is that piece missing right there. I had that for lunch too, with the buffalo sauce from Primal Kitchen. Alright, y'all, we just got done working out, did some chest, finished off with a AMRAP triple drop set on a tricep movement. We did cable skull crushers, and now I'm headed home to get something to eat, take a shower, hold Rigel, all that good stuff. So let's do it. What is going on, y'all? Just got out of the shower. Let me show you what I'm gonna be eating here. So I'm gonna finish off the remainder of this taco casserole, and then I'm also going to eat just shy of a pound of steak, 15 ounces to be exact. So these two right here, I'm gonna eat. This sirloin, Crystal's gonna eat. So about to throw those on the grill right now, and I'm gonna have some butter with that steak. But this is gonna be the highest calorie day of the challenge by a pretty good bit. I think I'm tiptoeing on 4,500 calories. I'll add it all up at the end. But I'm gonna throw this on the grill right now, eat that casserole, and I'll holler back at you in just a bit. What up, y'all? We are eating our steaks.
Really? This.
What?
This is the Crystal he gets to film.
Eating our steaks. They're kind of a blackened steak. You want to show them your steak? Mine's about eating all the way. But it actually worked out quite well because we're using a blackened seasoning.
It's delicious.
My grill. Alright, so let's a little rewind here. I was watching a YouTube video on nuclear bombs. Not really sure why. It was just like one of my recommended feeds. I like history and stuff like that, so I was looking at the history of all the big explosions in history. While I was watching that, my grill exploded. So I had been cooking all that chicken, So there's a whole bunch of like seasoning and tar and everything built up in my grill. And the way I cook my steaks is I do a reverse sear. A reverse sear on my steaks. So I'll cook them at 225 degrees till they get just shy of being cooked all the way. Then I'll crank it up to 500 degrees and then sear it on both sides there. So I cooked them at 225, took them off and out of the grill, cranked up to 500, came back inside, was watching my nuclear bomb YouTube video, and then I could see through the shades, through the blinds of the window, that it looked like there was a lot of smoke, more so than normal. So I opened the blinds, and my the whole grill is just billowing in smoke, and like a big fireball is coming out the side, because all of that tar and seasoning and everything from the chicken didn't do well with the 500 degree temp and just caught fire and blew up. So we are now searing this steak. We seared the steak in the cast iron skillet in the house. That's why it is blackened, but it's pretty good still.
It is really good.
You like it?
Yeah.
I like it. All right, let's look at macros for the day. So now that story time is over, macros for the day. This is our highest calorie day yet. Are you ready? All right, we have a total of 4,381 calories, 337 grams of fat, 22 grams of total carbs, and 274.6 grams of protein. So my fat ratio is 71.9% of my total daily calories are coming from dietary fat. So quite a bit of protein today, 275 grams basically. That's a lot of protein. But feeling pretty good. I actually had an appetite today. I was pretty hungry all day today. Interesting.
You did have an intense workout yesterday.
Yeah, I did. So maybe that drove some of the hunger. Anyways, we are calling it a night. We will see y'all tomorrow. Much love. Ta-ta for now.